kasi akong ihahanda na isang picnic date para sa dalawang maswerteng housemates ko. Mamayang gabi, maaari ba na kayo ang buo nyo at magbigay swerte para sa dalawang housemates na ito. Catherine, ikaw muna.
Edward po.
At ganyan,
Si Kisses.
okay. Maraming salamat muli.
Okay.
Congratulations sa kanila.
Kaya naman pag-alis ng Katniel, itinatawag ni Kuya si Edward.
Earlier today, there were two visitors, right?
Yes.
And do you remember the title of their movie?
Barcelona, A Love Untold.
Where's Barcelona?
Barcelona is in Spain.
The reason why I called you here, Edward,
Yes, Kuya.
tonight, you are one of the lucky two. You will have a picnic
Oh,
in Barcelona.
awesome. Yes.
Para sa gagawing picnic date sa Barcelona, kailangan palihim na isa-set up ni Edward ang garden area sa tulong ni Maymay at Marco. Inaasahan ni Kuya na lalo pang magkakakilala ang hindi pa masyadong malalapit na housemates sa gagawing date na ito.
Do you want to know who you're going to be with?
Yes, Kuya.
The person who Danielle and Catherine picked. It's Kisses.
Ah, okay. All right.
Hanggang tinawag ni Edward ang makakatulong sa date.
No. Ano sumisilip? Sino sumisilip? Hindi natatui. The three of... What's this?
No one else is allowed to
Okay,
know
okay.
what's happening. You're the two people who I say.
Pero pagdating sa garden area,
Sabihin, nasa confession room tayo.
Nasa confession room kami. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Go inside, go inside, go inside, go inside, go inside.
Ay, ano? So, dapat di ba wala?
No. Inside. Let's go.
Basta si Kisses, huwag mong palabasin.
Do not
Gagawin mo lahat
just
na
forget
siya.
this happened. Do not say anything.
Huwag mo ba si Kisses?
Edward.
Basta huwag mo kayo labas.
Kisses nga po. Si
Stay in
Edward.
your room. Stay in your room, okay? They chose two people. Catherine and Daniel. Lucky housemates. And it's me and it's Kisses. Pero I feel that it was not the right person. As in, I know kung sino ang gusto niyang makasama sa date na yun. But you think I
No,
can use
it's
this
not. It's not part of the plan.
To be honest, to me, it wasn't really. I didn't think of it as a date. I thought of it as an opportunity to get to know Kisses better.
maya-maya ay naghanda na si Marco ng kakainin nila Edward at Kisses sa date.
Mas coping ba ko
Binunot lang po yan eh. Binunot ng Daniel.
Samantala si Maymay sabik sa magaganap na date.
And I will like this. Buenas tardes, señora.
Buenas tardes.
Ha?
Buenas tardes.
Buenas
Buenas
tardes.
noches.
Oh, buenas noches. Kaya ano.
This is so cute.
Give siya lang sa kanila.
Like this, like this.
No.
Pero si Daniel Padilla sa kasikat kili bumunot nun eh.
Enrique, can you do this for me?
Habang naghahanda at nag-iensayo ng Espanyol, sila Maymay, lumabas si Heaven mula sa girls' bedroom.
You know,
Dito, dito ba? Dito yun? O dito?
Slice. Horizontal.
Eh, mo see?
Two aves. Divided.
Oh. Okay, I know.
Two aves que... Muy poco. Muy poco.
Ah, okay. Mugo le. Sit.
Ay, may sim na enten.
Pero kay Marco,
Basta. Nagugulo na ako, kuya, kasi parang alam na ng ibang housemate. Parang nagkakaintindihan na sila. Tapos parang, ha?
si Edward tila nag-alala sa iniisip ni Heaven.
Es el problema. No es un grande problema porque usa este date, use this date
para conocer más esta chica.
Para... ¿Por qué son date?
Ya lo sabes, tu problema.
Cuando yo tengo un problema, la problema es tu problema. Kasi inisip niya, paano, may makikilala ko si Kisses, sabi niya, pero paano mamaya nakakaya naman makipag-usap sa kanya mamaya kasi nakita siya ng gusto niya na nag-date kay Kisses. So, medyo nahihiya siya.
Kumagin sa boy ko.
Ano na.
Secret, no clue.
Hindi.
Huwag sabihin eh, sorry.
Ilang sandali pa at sinundo na ni Edward si Kisses.
Kisses? You have to get up?
Wait. Bakit?
Yes, now.
Uy! Bakit?
Alright.
Bakit?
Abres la puerta!
Oh my God, pwede bang pumunta?
Selos.
Buenas noches, sí señora. Buenas noches, señora. Mucha para paleto, dinas. Mucha sensei. Hello, señora. Hello, señora. Hello, señor. Buenas noches, señora. Ay, bakit? Nice one. Kisses and Edward. Kasi ang ganda ng place. I mean, ang ganda may roses, ang ganda ng may basket, tapos may picnic. So parang, sayang naman, sana, hindi naman sana ako yun, pero sana nandun kami.
Y buena comida.
Yeah? Muy enjoy it? Enjoy it, señorita.
Today we had two guests, right? We had Danielle and we had Catherine. They chose two housemates to enjoy a picnic. The picnic, everything that they're gonna bring, that's why they're talking in Spanish. We were chosen, both of us, yeah, both of us were chosen by Danielle and Catherine to have the picnic. And right? So it's just like I get to know you more because like this is on our 6th week now. I don't really know much about you. In the same time. Hi, I'm Edward. Hi. Hi, I'm Edward.
You look dapper. I like your...
I like her.
That's British.
I was raised in Germany, Deutschland.
Oh,
Yeah, my
Wait, you look like your father.
Kuya, date's over.
Wait,
It's an insult. Insult. Yeah.
what is that? Seriously?
According to Kuya.
Sobrang nakakatunaw po ng heart na magkaroon po ako ng ganong date kasi hindi pa ako in my whole life. I've never had a date like that na fancy, tapos may parang picnic siya, tapos si Edward nakabihis ko siya ng parang papogi, tapos sobrang cute lang kuya, natuwa po talaga ako.
I don't know much about you. I know you're a beauty queen. Yeah. No, actually, tell me about it. Because you've ventured in tennis.
Mas magandang sa ko.
Your bangs look like tennis balls. It's 50, I know that. You
You know,
swipe.
I can't see your face.
You can't see mine? You don't have contacts on? You wanna go put the contacts on? Yeah, I think you can.
Okay, babe. I'll be fast, okay?
Yung contact sticky.
This is lipstick. Oh my gosh, wait lang, library. I just... Wait, headphones,
Oh, Kisses. Chill ka lang. Hindi naman mawawala si Edward sa picnic mo.
I-check na natin.
mo ah.
Guys, sorry. Don't worry about it.
It's okay?
Yeah.
Oh my God, Eduardo.
Este es el primer plato.
Eres bien.
This is the first plate. Este es el segundo plato. This is the second plate. And este es el tercer plato. This is the third plate.
Oh my God, this is bacon?
No. This is Serrano ham, which is like aged ham. But it's like the closest that I think that we're gonna get to. Yeah, right? You know what? I eat this all the time usually. I thought of it as an opportunity to get to know kisses better. I got closer to her as well. My parents told me that, as a joke, they said one time I was born for entertainment.
Yeah, I've heard that.
My sister was...
They wanted to play me first.
What do you say that?
See, I listen.
Listen.
Kung may na-discover man po ako kay Edward, he's more than just guwapo. He's mabait po.
Susunod ang pagpapatuloy ng Spanish date ni Edward at